Hello everyone, Dynamic Bat here. Twinkle Toes took a vacation. And here today with the 2019 normal Godzilla out of the Atomic Breath Burning Godzilla. I just have my 2014 one here to do this. I'm going on vacation tomorrow or the day Saturday or Sunday, so I was really excited that this came, so I'm gonna try to make this short. Anyway, we open it up and we see almost instantly, just there's yellow. Where's that gray? Anyway, looks fun. I'm going to open sesame. Oh my god, I ripped it. I ripped the box. Get the tape. Let's see, background. Not too exciting. Come on, NECAs, make your backgrounds a little more exciting. Don't care about that. Zip ties. Yeah, here the tail looks flexible. Doesn't seem to look like there's anything wrong with the tail, like on that one. Seems hold on a minute, folks. Hold on a minute. I'm gonna break my scissors from the door right there. Snip. Snip. It's not snipping. Maybe if I try these other scissors. Come on, cut, please. This one is rounded really tightly in a knot. Curses. Gonna watch a movie tonight. Probably Avengers or something. I might actually, though, use my really cool looking TV and just rewatch Godzilla because why not? What up? I have a plan. I might be able to slide it out if I can cut out this stuff. Probably can't, but I wish I had something to say. Please go over the toes, please. Wow, they really packaged this one tight. Think I got an advantage there, maybe. Sorry, this is so loud. 4 minutes. Sad. You'd think after my third video that this would be easy now, wouldn't you? Stranger entered my room. Yay! Yay! Finally! I de-zip-a-tied it. 4 minutes of hard de-zip-a-tying. So this could be like a burning Godzilla. Can't open his mouth. His mouth doesn't want to stay open. This one seems to slide easier. So it's really bad as paint. Yeah, maybe if I can just do snip. I don't want to break this. I really hate this. I'm still getting out the tail. Anyway, looks pretty good. Like it a lot. I thought I'd do my sheets. So when I was really surprised when I felt a box under it. I thought you had put it in a box, the sheets in a box, to make me. So when I thought it was these ones, because I had them in another box, and then I pull off the sheet. What do I find? Godzilla. Actually, I need to get it out enough to slide these scissors in there. Got him. Sorry, that was so loud. This is Godzilla's tail. Let's see. Turny. Turn. Turny. I somehow expected a little more. I expected somewhat a lot more from this. Like maybe Ghidorah's severed head. Well, no, actually, I would expect that from, whatchamacallit, the SH Monster Arts. I might get a Nintendo Switch and, like, play Fortnite on it and stuff. Please let this go in without me having to do anything to it. I wish I had something really exciting to say, but I don't. I'm so... It went in. Yay! Oh my god, my hands are so sweaty. I'm just gonna turn on the AC for a minute. Well, do I really need to? Anyway, here it is. Godzilla. Just bend the knees. Yep, just bend. Man, this is stiff. I've been waiting on this dude for a while, and I got this thing just yesterday. Yeah. Bottom jaw doesn't want to stay open. A little hard on some stuff. Not nice paint job on the back. Makes it look like he's using the black version of the Atomic Breath. But yeah, really, that's all there is to it. This one was interesting, though. Because you see here, this part makes it so that it can't really go up, only down, which is depressing. This one's tail just wants to keep falling off, and I don't know why this leg is like this. I'm blown. But other than that, it's good. I like it. His eyes, though. If you look at his eyes, they're a tiny bit red. And yeah. Well, that's really all I have for today. And don't forget to put in the comments below what you think Godzilla toys should look like, or what toys of monsters from Godzilla should come out in the future, and or something about like the movies and stuff, because I'm always searching for information about the movies. I could pop some in here, but I feel like I should do my own separate video and not just sit here while I do it. Rawr, I am your leader. Now I don't know which one I want to play with the most. I used to pretend this was me and these two were some of my friends, but now I don't know. Maybe I want this one to be me and this be those two to be my friends. Thinking hard. Anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. Peace.